So now as you guys see, it's off. To test it, press. Now it's going to go through the testing period. So we're putting one right above our basement. So as the, if something is detected, it would rise up and come up at our basement door. Hello my friends and welcome back. Today we are unboxing and showing you Xsense wireless interlinked combination of smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. So this is a smoke and carbon monoxide detector. As you guys probably already know by now, I love Xsense. I love their products. I have their security system installed in our home. So I absolutely am looking forward to this. So in this little bag, they provide you with the brackets and screws needed. So this is a multi-pack, if you guys didn't know by the listing. They give you a warning, they give you a manual, everything you need to know. So this is what it looks like. Installation, they give you that you can put the date, and it says replace the device within 10 years. So it's a 10-year device. For the bracket, you have to twist, so it even tells you how to twist to lock it in place. Goes over everything. You can press it, either press it or press and hold to test it. Green means power, yellow means fault, red is the alarm. Move to fresh air and call 911 if you're having an issue or if it's going off. So this is the bracket. So what you would do is you would actually drill or mount this wherever you want, if you're mounting on the ceiling or wall, with the 3 screws that they provide you with, and then you put this on. So you don't put it on first, you put it on after it's already mounted. Once it's mounted, all you do is you slide it in and you twist and turn to lock it in place, and when you want to take it off, you twist and turn and pull it off. So in 10 years, if you buy the same exact one, twist and turn it, put it right back on and off. Makes it very simple. Let's go ahead and install it. And again, my friends, this is a 3-pack. It's good to have one in your basement, your middle floor and top floor, or multiple different areas of your house if you don't have 3 floors, because you want them spread around, that way you're alerted. Alright my friends, for the alarm to work, this bracket has to be in. So if you want to mount it on the wall, go ahead, mount this on the wall, and do it that way, and then you push this in and you turn it. If you don't want it mounted on the wall and you want it just to, set it somewhere on your counter or somewhere, what you do is you put the bracket in. Now, please keep in mind the bracket has to be turned the whole way, so it would be, let me see here. There should be no gap, so turn it the whole way and you'll hear a beep. So let's do that. Better to use 2 hands. Alright, so now once you have it turned the whole way, you're going to hear a beep, and it's going to go through this color sequence. This color sequence will stop after a short period of time, and it will be active then, and it will be working just like that. If you don't hear a beep and if it's not doing a color, then there might be a gap right there. Make sure there is no gap when you turn it on. So now as you guys see, it's off. To test it, press. Now it's going to go through the testing period. Okay, I believe that's it. So that's the testing period, and all you have to do is you just press it to test it. If this starts going off because of smoke or for some reason, all you have to do is press it. You should be able to just press it to turn it off. Once it's doing the test, you can't press it to turn it off, but I'm saying if it actually picks something up and starts going off, you should be able to press it to turn it off. If not, just press and hold it and it should turn off. But overall, these are great. I love X-Sense, so we're gonna go and put 3 of these in different areas. So we're putting one right above our basement. So as the, if something is detected, it would rise up and come up at our basement door, and this will alert and let us know. And again, if you don't know if it's on or not, all you gotta do is press the test button, and then you know that it's turned on, and it'll go through the testing period. So we're gonna set up right there. So that'll go through the testing period. As you can, you can easily hear that through the walls and door. That's what's nice about these, they're loud enough.